Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to October in Canada. Today is a beautiful day with a clear blue sky and dry roads. The temperature outside is about 13 degrees Celsius and overall we have the perfect driving conditions. Let's fire up the Jag. This is a relatively short video which focuses on two main points. The first is the beautiful landscape, the beautiful scenery with the autumn leaves changing color. The second is the focus on the tunes, the notes, the sounds coming out of the exhaust of the XK8 under moderate acceleration. You notice that I'm not sending it, I'm not pushing the car hard. In fact, the shift points hover around 3000 RPM, sometimes just below, sometimes just over, but by no means am I stressing out the engine. At this point the vehicle is fully warmed up in terms of coolant temperature, oil, as well as transmission fluid. As I approach the main road here and wait for traffic to clear, keep an eye on the last vehicle which will pass by. It appears to be a high-spec late model year BMW X3. In just a few seconds we'll be able to hear that vehicle accelerate as well. Let's go! I should mention, to get the most out of this video, you should wear headphones. Telephone speakers, tablet speakers, computer speakers will not help you in hearing the tunes to their full effect. So if you can, put on some headphones. Now we're coming up to a stop sign here and you'll be able to hear the BMW accelerate. There it goes. BMW sounded good and those quick shifts were pretty impressive, but still, it's not a V8. Let me know what you think. By the way, due to the camera angle and perspective, it may appear that I'm driving really fast, but I assure you I am being respectful of the traffic laws. So which exhaust do you folks think I have on the car? You have the usual suspects, Mina Gallery, Adamesh, maybe a custom build. What do you think? Shortly you will see that I'm actually slowing down traffic a little bit and an impatient biker decided to pass me despite the solid yellow line. You may have noticed that the video has chapters, and at the very end I've condensed all the accelerations one after another, just the accelerations. I've been experimenting for a while trying to find a reliable way to record exhaust notes and partial road noise while at the same time excluding the wind noise. I hope it's coming across clear enough, even though I feel that there is more room for improvement here. If you have any hints or pointers that I could leverage in recording exhaust notes, Please share, I'll be more than grateful. Thank you. In a few seconds you'll be able to see the impatient biker zoom by. Traffic started building up ahead, and I decided to take less traveled roads for the rest of my journey. Thank you for joining me today, thank you for watching, and in just a few seconds you can see a compilation of all acceleration events again, specifically for the audio, glued one after another, accelerations only. Take care folks, have a wonderful day.